Hi everyone, I'm Salva and this is...
My name is Rahul Bam and we wanted to do a home renovation. तो हमको मेरे फ्रेंड का घर मैंने देखा जो जस्ट रेनोवेट हुआ था और मुझे बहुत पसंद आया वो. तो मैंने उसको पूछा कि कहाँ से काम किया वो सब डिटेल दिए. तो मुझे सतीश जी फ्रॉम होम स्पेस इंटीरियर्स का मुझे अता पता मिला, उनका कांटेक्ट मिला. मैंने इमीडिएटली उनको कॉल किया और इमीडिएटली वो आ गए. एंड फिर उन्होंने घर देखा और हमारा सब काम किया. उन्होंने उनके में बेस्ट पॉइंट्स मेरे हिसाब से मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ. एक तो जो उन्होंने टाइम कमिटमेंट दिया था ना, वो एकदम मतलब ऑन द डॉट. मतलब 2 महीना बोला, 2 महीना 1 दिन. वो भी हमने बहुत सारा चीज एक्स्ट्रा बोला था, ये वो होते होते 1 दिन एक्स्ट्रा का सिर्फ. वो पहला. दूसरा तो वो किसी चीज के नहीं बोलते नहीं. मैंने अगर कुछ उल्टा पुल्टा मांगा ना तो भी वो करके देंगे और वो अच्छे से. वो भी सेकेंड वो चीजें. थर्डली कितने बार हमने रात को अरे फोटो भेज रहे नहीं, यही चाहिए वही चाहिए. तो कभी उनका ऐसा कि गुस्सा हो गए या एंटरटेन नहीं किया, ऐसा कभी भी नहीं हुआ. तो जो भी चाहिए था ना एकदम टाइम पे और एकदम पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड से सब हुआ. और ही इज वेरी अफोर्डेबल. मतलब हम लोगों ने हमारा बजट एक्सीड किया क्योंकि हमको ही बहुत सारी चीजें चाहिए थे, पर उनके रेट बहुत अफोर्डेबल है. तो हमको जो चाहिए था ना वैसा ही एग्जैक्ट सब कुछ मिला. और मैं कैमरा पे आई वांट टू थैंक यू फॉर डूइंग सच अ ग्रेट जॉब इन दिस हाउस.
So for me, this was like my dream home and I had a lot of ideas in my head. I want this, I want that. And I was hearing a lot of, bad stories about designers not giving on time. Then they are, they take 10 days break in the middle, all these things. So I would like to say that the process has been so easy, so simple,
Fun.
so much of fun, because there was never a time where I felt this was going wrong. That was the best part of it. What I wanted, I received. I received it better than what I actually wanted in my head, because his inputs were also the best. They were very good. The variety he has, the kind of options he has, the ideas he has, his workers are very decent. I would like to say one thing that I just realized yesterday, that nothing was missing in our entire stuff.
Yeah, we left all our stuff
Everything
at
was
home.
put in cartons and they were kept in the room. And when we came back, we thought, oh my god, where is everything going to be? But there was
and they
nothing.
cleaned everything and put it
There
back.
was nothing missing. They helped clean everything. The cleaning process was very, very detailed. They gave us back our home absolutely new, absolutely fresh, and all the workers were friendly. They were nice. They were well behaved. Nothing wrong with his team. And of course, Satish has been integral part in giving me my dream home, and I'm really grateful to him. And as a girl, I will say we are very particular about what we want, and this is the best person to go to. I can give you that guarantee that you will be very happy and you will be safe and your money will not go down the drain with Satish. This interior team, thank you.